life.
A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Shamrock, or 30 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 10 miles. The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued today.
So grab a bag of Kingsford Original Chart. Subject to proceed. I made pilot opening.
The National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Adams County and northeastern Colorado until 7:15 p.m. At 6:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southwest of Shamrock, or 30 miles south of Fort Morgan, moving southeast at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected.
I kind of find it funny that
This
there's
severe
music
thunderstorm
playing.
will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Adams County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor